Hello, and welcome to the video tutorial on how to create Google Form quizzes. Google Form quizzes are very useful for surveying students, informally quizzing them, or checking for their understanding. Before you can use a Google Form quiz, you must create one. Let me show you how. Log into your Google Drive and find a folder you want to store the Google Form. Next, right-click on the screen, hover over the word More, and select Google Forms. Create and share. For this scenario, I will be a Math 101 tutor wanting to create a practice quiz for my students. So here I go. First, go to the settings, unclick the restrictions box. This will make your students sign in to take your exam, which is quite a hassle. Now click Quizzes, make this a quiz, and save. Now you get to create your quiz. The first thing that I want to do is to title it. Next, click up here to title it up there as well. Then after that, I will create a name question, and note down here, I don't want this question to be added into the point system, so leave it be. I also have chosen short answer out of this option list as the way I want the students to answer my question about their name. Next, I will create an email question. Same thing, not worth any point. Short answer will be the way they will be entering that information. And then I will click plus to add my third question, which will be my first question in this quiz. What is 1 plus 1? Now, for this particular question, of all the different options, I want to make this question a multiple choice question. So I will select multiple choice. Now my answers will get added. And to make this a quiz question, now you go down to the answer key icon, click it, determine how many points you want this question to be worth. I want this to be worth 1 point. Select the correct answer out of the options, and then click Done. That is how you create a quiz question. Make it required so that your students have to complete that question before they can move on to the next one, or before they can actually submit the entire exam, so that they don't accidentally skip over a particular question. And then to add more questions, you click the plus form again and continue on until you are done creating your quiz. And that is how you create a Google Form quiz inside of Google Drive.